Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 5th of July 2023. So market continue to be very slow. Okay, one of the reasons is that China and US trade war. Okay, starting I mean initially cool down already, now escalate again because this China actually is banning some of the material, export of some material, not banning okay, put in control, controlling the export of some of the material which this Western country, US, Europe, import to create for the production of semiconductor, and chip, all these things. So so that's why market also not happy, and China also they are this manufacturing data coming out, or say pumping out all this data, all the latest data also, they are not very strong. That's why a lot of question mark in the market, a lot of question mark. So this was the news Okay, Beijing jab in US China tech fight with chip material export curbs. Okay, so companies caught out by China decision to restrict export of two metal widely used in semiconductor and electric vehicles, racing to secure supply on Tuesday as some industry supply worries that curbs on rare earth export could follow. Also they could be slowly okay, controlling other type of material. Okay, so Monday abrupt announcement control from August 1st on export on some gallium and germanium products has ramped up a trade war with the United States and could potentially cause more disruption of global supply chain. Okay, so Beijing now is counter punching the US for putting so much ban. Okay, the for Western country put so much ban on the technology, banning the of course the use of Google Google services in Huawei and those are high tech, these are AI chip manufacturing equipment all these things so not good these are things come out, is not good not good for the market Okay, so but today we did see this EG finally EG managed to break out. Okay, later we're gonna take a quick look. Let's check out a quick disclaimer first. Okay, then we're gonna go into not many news, but got some momentum stuff. News not many today. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, I heard that this China actually control more than around 90% of supply of this this material, gallium and germanium. Okay, and also China and Russia actually control okay, I mean supply quite a lot of this rare earth material, which is not everywhere can find one. So that's why this China and Russia when you want to start trade war with them, okay, you have to have a backup like Europe, right? Want to go against Russia, but all their energy, like German, all their energy, all their this oil come from Russia. How you going to go for go for war with Russia when you when let's say I want to fight with you, okay, you actually attack my friend, so I say you cannot. I'm gonna support him, but then how you gonna support him when I'm taking all the when my oil, my gas, all this come from you, So when there's winter, no gas, everybody die, right? No heating, all these things, right? You cannot all depend on electric, right? Because electric also, the power also comes from this oil, right? So very difficult, very difficult. So that's why this China, they also control quite a lot of this material, especially they open a lot of mines in Africa, okay, where you know all the cobalt miner, all those these battery miner, you know, those material for battery one. So they actually open a lot of mine there, or they actually invested a lot of money. You know, like Africa, right? Used to be like all the people, right? Use their hand, use their hand, leg, to go and mine. Now China actually brought in a lot of these heavy machine to dig and produce all these rare earth material, cobalt, all these things, lithium, all these things. So now they control a big portion of the market of all these rare earth material. So you cannot simply touch China. So now the US is getting a warning. So US and the Western country, if you want to go for trade war with China, you need to be smarter. You have to have backup first. Don't simply go later. you can't even produce your chip, right? Okay. So okay, there's the story. Let's go into the market. Let's check out the market. Okay, before we start, don't forget our Zoom class. Okay, Zoom class is on the next week, 15 and 16. Chinese is 15, English is 16. Okay, 10:30 to 12:30. Okay, if you want to join, okay, you make sure you finish watching my video 15 video. You have TradingView account and install Smart MCDX and Auto Profit. Okay, so of course you have to be a member. You have to join my Auto Profit course first. The link is all at the bottom there. Okay, if you haven't joined, you join the course first. Okay, the course is okay here. Okay, the course information. Okay, you can find it in my Facebook, or you can go to my website www.tradingwithks.com. Okay, www.tradingwithks.com. Okay. Okay, let's go to the market. Today, KLCI dropped 0.186%, 2.590 points, dropped a little bit. Okay, Singapore also dropped 0.574%. Hong Kong also dropped 1.572%. South Korea dropped 0.552%. Japan dropped 0.251%. China FTSE dropped 1.081%. China SSE dropped 0.690%. China NZSE dropped 0.908%. Australia dropped 0.354%. Taiwan dropped 0.492%. TSEC. India Nifty up 0.049%. So the market is just weak today, because today we got this under Jerome Powell, they got this Fed meeting minutes also. So they probably there are some there could be some additional detail coming up because the minutes will write down the previous meeting, what they say, what are the policies, what being proposed, all these things. So these minutes could have something that new information coming up or some information that people might miss. So they could be a threat, or could be an opportunity. So we have to wait. So what is inside this Fed meeting? Actually, most of the thing they already discussed, but this meeting minutes, right, is the written part. So they want to have it black and white to make sure that what they say is all written down. I think it's today. Let me see, is it today or not? Meeting. Yeah. Tonight. Tomorrow morning 2 o'clock. Tonight means after midnight. FOMC meeting minutes. This only the minutes. It's not the actual meeting. But there could be some detail that being overlooked. All these things. So that's why people are still careful tonight. And this one, China, this Caixin Services PMI also dropped. So China, there are all these PMI number keep on dropping. So market is worried. Market worried. Okay. So let's check out Europe. FTSE dropped 0.572%. DAX German dropped 0.519%. German FTSE is UK. Okay, drop. So almost everywhere drop. Okay, Russia, Asia and this German also drop. Asia and Europe drop. Looks like US will not do so good. Okay, Dow Jones up 0.032%, NYSE up 0. Yesterday no market. Okay, let's go into crude palm oil 3,902. So we see some momentum palm oil, but I don't think palm oil is going to fly, but it is palm oil stock might go up a little bit, but I don't think it's going to fly, but it's going up. Slowly it's going up. Okay, Brent oil 76.04 up, crude oil also up 71.19 because these are Russia and these are OPEC, they are cutting production. Okay. Gold 1,936 went up a bit. Silver 23.1 also holding quite strong. Okay, so USD to ringgit is 4.649. Okay, so drop a little bit. Look at Bitcoin 30,686 and Ethereum 1,922. So I mean the what they call it, how they call it, the optimism of the spot ETF, all these already gone already now. Then they have to refile all this, right? So optimism, all these people all trying to jump into Bitcoin due to this ETF, spot ETF, this BlackRock spot ETF. Now it's not being rejected, but have to refile. Means inadequate. They have to refile. Okay. So the hype. Sorry, I was looking for the word. The hype already passed already Okay, so let's check out BURSA. Okay, sentiment today 53, not too bad. Losers 378, gainers 438, also still not too bad not too bad. Okay, untraded is untraded 7979 and unchanged 440. Okay, let's look at the market. Market is just choppy. Nothing much. Okay, chop, holding, no volume, nothing. At the end of the day, also drop. Okay, so nothing much. Volume also didn't go up 2.54. So the market just no buyers. No momentum. No big fund coming in. All these things. So you cut you cut down the stamp duty. Also no use. Because there's no catalyst to pump the market. Parkson today very strong. Parkson very strong. Just take a quick look. Parkson is too high to chase. Just take a look. But I think Parkson is too high to chase. And then nothing much. Okay, look at the sector in percentage. Consumer drop 0.47, industry up 0.11, construction up 0.38, technology drop 0.15, all in percentage. Finance drop 0.12, property up 0.58, plantation the strongest 1.27% up, REIT REIT drop 0.14, energy up 0.73, telco up 0.13, healthcare up 0.13, telco drop 0.94, transportation drop 0.13, utilities up 0.18. Okay, so let's look at the market. Look at the chart KLCI. Okay, so KLCI not doing much. So KLCI unable to break the neckline. 1396. Okay, so have to wait for it to break above. Then only you got better chance to go up. Or else you might stuck here and go down some more. Okay, if hopefully US can be stronger. US continue drop, Europe continue drop like today, right? Everywhere drop. I think this one will be difficult to hold. Probably sideways only. Means the uptrend means it does not have the momentum go up. Probably it will just the market is just trying to hold. Okay, like that. Let's see the small cap, mid cap 0.15% up. So no momentum. Also minor movement. Okay, small cap is the strongest one. Small cap is trying to push the market up, but not small cap very difficult to push the market up. Okay, 15,175 now is at the neckline. See whether it can push through. It can push through. Small cap might be going up. Okay. Energy, okay, energy small minor rebound could be coming, okay, because OPEC cut should have some positive lah, for the oil energy sector lah. Okay, plantation. Okay, plantation. We got this still got this sideways, so unless it break out from this sideways, the window, right, to rebound is quite small in the short term. Okay, so let's check out Facebook, see anything. PPJ too high already lah. PPJ, I so don't monitor this stock so much, but I take a look lah, it's too high to chase already. Okay, Farm Fresh announced this Farm Fresh big drop that's why they got something to say lah. Very kena UMA big drop EG finally broke out already. They broke out, came back down with force break, but this time really break out already. Looks good. Okay, hashtag also reached the first target already. Okay, so hashtag, you see whether it can go to 38 or not. If go to 28, it should have chance to go higher. Go to 40 area. If it cannot, then maybe it will be double top and come back down. So you watch this one. But now the red color momentum still near 75, still okay, still got chance. Just one today BURSA is so yeah. Parkson. Okay, later take a look. Parkson, I put here a bit high to chase. This one, he keep for 2 months already untung lah. Keep for 2 months already profit already. John Sniper. Boring day. Okay. Okay, Farm Fresh Okay, Farm Fresh received UMA from BURSA after failing to all-time low lah. So big drop lah. So they say, right, this company rumors because this one Australia BREAKOUT group decline in this Australian milk production that's why they got this big competition from this Australia lah. Okay. Let's just take let you hear the news.
Farm Fresh said rumors had been circulating on the company, triggered by the recent announcement by Australia's BREAKOUT Group on the decline in Australian milk production. BREAKOUT Group was expecting a decline in performance with a potential non-cash impairment in the range of $180 million to $280 million Australian dollars in its audited results, subject to finalization. While Farm Fresh BHD is also impacted by the less than expected decrease in farmgate milk prices in Australia, as we do purchase milk from third-party farmers in Australia. We are much less impacted compared to BREAKOUT Group. BREAKOUT Group exclusively purchases 100% of its milk requirements from farmers in Australia, while our purchase of milk ingredients from third-party farmers in Australia is expected to account for approximately 14% of our total milk ingredients.
Also, they say they're not, this Farm Fresh will not be, will not be affected that much but this BREAKOUT group okay, they got this big non-cash impairment okay, due to this issue okay, so let's see Farm Fresh I think long term maybe can look for peak bottom. Farm Fresh drop very cheap, but not now not now. Okay, it has dropped 1 ringgit and 10 cent. Okay, it was IPO was quite high okay, IPO price I think 1 ringgit something Farm Fresh IPO. See how much. 1.35 1.35 Okay lah, it's not that bad lah, but you see because it dropped very fast in a row lah, it dropped very fast 15%, then not really that bad lah, not really that bad lah, but possible peak bottom lah, wait and see lah, wait for it to create a bottom lah. Okay, so foreign investors sell 1.3 billion of Malaysia equities in June. So keep foreign fund is all selling lah. So you cannot expect this local market to be strong lah. Okay, Singapore Central Bank see record net loss on the inflation fight. So you see Singapore Bank also not doing so well lah. That's why I don't expect the bank sector to rebound lah. Another thing is global semiconductor sales decreased 8.7% in first quarter. Okay, March got up a bit lah, but first quarter still drop lah. So you see everything is starting to drop lah, not looking good lah. The whole big picture, the global market, everything is not looking good. And this trade war between US and China also are not good lah. For the market, everything is not good. Okay, look at momentum stock EG. EG finally break out already. Lah. Okay, so the next target will be here, will be this top. Look for this top. Okay, hopefully it can go through. Okay, this is the next one, 1.45. If it cannot go through, it will make a double top, or then it will might reverse down lah. Means this uptrend tak jadi sampai this target lah. But I already measure up the target lah. Okay, so if follow the flat pattern, it should got chance to come to 1.81. Okay, so if we can break to 1.45, it should got a good chance to come to 1.81. So very strong today. Let's see what's the volume. 3 million normally, average now is 9 million. So there is a big volume pumping lah. So this one got chance lah. This one got chance. Okay. KLK. Plantation. KLK. 3%. Volume 1.4 million. Now average is 800 over. Nothing much. You can't see the big, big push just now, right? Like EG, a big push. Slowly, still following channel. Slowly, still can go lah. Still can go. Slowly can go out, but not very strong. So slowly, still can go lah. Long term lah. You hold it long term, I think got chance to go lah. All this target, I don't think so. Okay. Let me see. Slowly, maybe Afin 24 maybe can reach, but I don't think it can go very high. Don't see the momentum. SAM. $3.83. Okay, SAM. Okay, broken now. Looks like we're having some kind of head and shoulder pattern. Okay, SAM still got chance. Okay, still got chance 5.15 and 5.6. Okay, so I said if it don't drop below 4.44, it's still okay. Okay, so looks like it still got some momentum to go, continue to go up lah. PP Jack is consumer, right? I rarely look at this PP Jack. Okay. Or finance other financial, so weird. Okay, this one too high to chase already. If you chase in already, use auto profit okay, to monitor. If you haven't chased in, too late already. MCEMENT. $4.17%. Nothing much MCEMENT, nothing. SDS is property. This one also I'm not very familiar lah. Now the big stock all come out. Food, okay. SDS is food. 15% up. Today with a volume form 4.7 million, average is 1 million. Okay, so this one got chance. Okay, it did break out. It did break. It does have this flag pattern. Okay, so potential can go lah. Potential can go. Resistance is here. 0.69, 0.8, 0.87. This one potential can go maybe back to 0.87. Look at Fibonacci, look at the retracement, how many percent? Okay, this is quite a lot. The retracement almost back to 0.26. Yeah, I think 100%. I think you expecting a rebound to this target around 0.87, 0.95 this area. Okay, 100%. Okay. Potential red color momentum came in already. Okay, so this one got chance. But this one I'm not familiar. I never follow this stock before Okay, so look at chart. It still looks okay. Okay. UWC, today UWC quite strong. %2.5%. Look at volume. 902,000. Average is 1 million. So not very strong. But it did make a higher low. It did make a breakout. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, it could be like this. Yeah, so it could be like this. So it's not too strong yet. You need to break out 3.4 better so it's not too strong yet or break out here 3.39 You put 3.39. If we can go to 3.39, then probably it can continue, or else it will be quite difficult. We look at 3.39. E frame. %. Volume is 3.44 million. Average is 400,000, 484,000. So quite strong today. Okay, so you got a breakout. Let me see. So this one tak jadi, but not to say tak jadi lah, but really too long It still can go lah, but really too long already. So consider fail lah this breakout. But I still want to go. Red color momentum came in. I think potential, right? If you, it might very likely you got stuck here, because few times already, 1 time, 2 time, 3 times it got stuck at 1.04, 1.04 around this area lah, 1.05, 1.05 area. So probably you come back here and drop lah. I don't see like it can really break through lah. But we have to see lah. But potential is there lah. There is a potential that this one can go. Potential it can go. Okay, it can go up to 1.05, even potential higher, but have to wait and see. Okay, CYPARK, the report come out no good, but still flying. 8.7%, 26 million, average is 17 million. Okay, so CYPARK, okay, rebound. It's a rebound. Okay, rebound. Retest the support, rebound. So this one got chance. Okay, 0.86, 1.07. Okay. And potential even higher, and over potential this stock. Okay, so CYPARK is going again. Okay, and red color momentum increase. So there is an increase in the momentum. Okay, SUNCON, see whether it can come back or not. SUNCON already dropped after the report. 3%. Look at the volume. 269,000. Average is 195. Not very strong. Wait and see. MSC today MSC, and steel one also got metal very difficult now. MSC 3%. Let's see MSC volume. Average 173 million. 173,000 now. 459,000. Okay. MSC potential still looks good I think, but slowly long term. I think it's got chance to go Okay, got chance to go because we got this This flat pattern is on its way up. Okay, you draw a trend line here. As long as stay above this trend line, okay. I draw a trend line like this. Okay, okay. If we can, okay, continue to hold this trend line. Okay, if we break, then cannot. Okay, but it looks okay. Looks okay to looks good for it to continue go. Looks good for now. Parkson, take a quick look at Parkson. %, 52 million. Wow, normal is 6 million, 52 million is, but very scary lah. This one, you see, it goes up straight away. Big sell down already. So today actually it went up how far? Gap up some more. Gap up. Yeah, gap up some more. So it actually went up 20%. So in the evening being sold down another up to 13%. So quite risky this one. But better not chase. Got gap already, better not chase. It might come down. And it really start selling already today. We start selling, heavy selling already. So you have to take note. Big tail. Okay, so yeah, before I forget, subscribe, okay, make sure you hit the bell, hit the like button, share this with your friend, and leave your comment. I want to open an account. You can try CYPARK, one of the top platform in Malaysia. You can play Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore, US stock. Okay, and the link is at the bottom. You press the link, okay, and fill in the form. Online form, my friend this reminder from CYPARK will call you up and open an account for you, and everything is done online, okay, no need to go anywhere, okay. So this is also a legal platform, and want to buy Bitcoin, all this, there's a link at the bottom, Luno, okay. So you use my link to open. There are some bonus, 25 ringgit bonus, if you start to buy Bitcoin, okay. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.